Big old samosa here to try. Let's check it out. Delicious. Potatoes, peas in there. Very tasty. Let's have one more bite. I'll let you all go. Wow.